A solid-state drive SSD is a new generation of storage device used in computers. SSDs store data using flash-based memory, which is much faster than the traditional hard disks they've come to replace. SSDs also have no moving parts, and upgrading to one is a great way to speed up your computer and make it more resilient. SSD versus HDD. While a solid-state drive SSD may serve the same purpose as a hard disk drive HDD, both kinds of drives function very differently. For starters, HDD uses moving parts to access data. A mechanical spinning disk and a moving read-write head accesses and writes data. In a SSD, a memory chip will read and write data. This makes a major difference in the speed of your drive. Solid-state drives are far faster than hard disk drives since there are no moving parts. Data retrieval is nearly instantaneous on solid-state drives. SSDs are also far more durable than HDDs. Dropping an HDD can render the drive unusable, while SSDs are far more durable to incidental damage. The other major difference that you'll notice as a consumer is the price. Hard disk drives are far cheaper and usually offer larger storage space. SSDs are much more expensive and are usually more compact while offering less storage space, in addition to the price. Another disadvantage of solid-state drives is the inability to recover old data. Because of the way SSD works, it is nearly impossible to recover lost data, unlike on a HDD. The price for a solid-state drive has significantly reduced over the last few years as technology has improved. With all of the recent advancements, you can expect to see SSDs become both more advanced as well as more affordable in the future. Most people would agree that a solid-state drive is far better than a hard disk drive if you can afford it. Faster speeds can make all of the difference on your computer, whether you're a gamer, content creator, or just a professional in the office.